ready? Are you freaking ready?
Hi. Welcome to the Doo-Doo Hut Show. My name's Camden, and I'm going to be making some pizza. Here are the ingredients. We got some bologna, Mexican cream, easy cheesy, barbecue sauce, mustard, honey, pineapple chunks, sweet peas, olives, which is normal, syrup for the sauce, because every good pizza needs a good sauce. So for the sauce, we're gonna add some mustard. Let's get some mustard up on there. Ooh. How about that? Take that, Rachel Ray. Bitch. Now we're gonna get some easy cheesy. Keep the yellow going. No, we're gonna hold off on that. We got some honey. Oh man, this is gonna be terrible. Get some syrup on there. Get a little bit more diabetes to go around. Oh man, it's gonna be so bad. It's gonna be so bad. Alright, now we really gotta get the barbecue sauce on there. Is it a pop top? I think it's a pop top. Is it a screw off? You can screw off what? Oh boy. That is saucy. We'll take this here. Oh god. Looks terrible. Get this here and mix that around there. Ooh, lather that. Oh, that honey barbecue. Always wash your tools when you're done. Because you know what? Your mama would be mad if you didn't. Now, for the cheese. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be terrible. This is gonna be a freaking mistake. It's gonna be a mistake, dude. Might as well get a little bit of cheese on there. Get a little bit of cheese. Kind of mask what's underneath. I don't want them to know what's underneath. It actually kind of looks good now that it looks terrible. It doesn't look good at all, dude. Alright, now, we are going to slice these. Very nice slices. Because the presentation is what we're worried about. The presentation is what makes up the whole dish. Without good presentation, you ain't a good chef. And as you know, Chef Bobby Flay once said, bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. We get some Canadian bacon on there. We're gonna be making him a what do you call it? A Hawaiian style pizza? Hawaiian style. That's what this is here. Okay, that one's hard to pick up. This smells like dog food. Like I feel like I'm feeding him dog food. I hate bologna so much. If you love bologna, the only thing you eat is chili and hot dogs for dinner, I bet. Your mama don't love you if you love bologna. Let's go ahead and scoop up some of these olives. Look at that. Look at those olives, dude. I'm gonna put this one on there even though I just touched the counter. Shh, everybody, shh. Don't tell them, okay? Shh, don't tell them. Okay. I feel like this is gonna be bomb, dude.
You should love this with me.
Sweetie peasies. Okay, that's too much. It's too much. Let's just give it kind of a little garnish. Give it a little garnish. Give it a little garnish there. Then we got time to add the pineapple, eh? Do you have a
A what?
a can opener? Okay, guys. So I came up with one more thing to put, or two more things. Excuse me. Well, yeah, two more things to put on the pizza. We're gonna go ahead and give it some Kraft Singles American cheese. Man, guys ready for this? You guys ready to see Austin puke? Because I am.
What's up? It's your boy Crank Donut. I'm gonna go ahead and make him a pizza and try to make it as nasty as I can. I have the convenience of him already opening everything for me. Let's get started. First thing you need for a good pizza, nice sauce, nice base. So I'm gonna dump a little bit of that in there. Let's go ahead and while we're at it, now this is some regular hickory smoked barbecue sauce, but we're gonna make it in a honey, what do you call it? Just honey barbecue sauce. So get some of that up in there. Just throw a couple little hints, you know, because what is bologna without a little bit of mustard, huh? I feel like that's gonna be super saucy, and it's just gonna. Oh, this smells so bad, dude. You're supposed to take this off. I know that, but I don't know how. Let's cut it. Get some of this. Now, I'm gonna ask our camera person, even though I just cut this, should we do cut or whole?
Cut. Because it's just going to be...
Too much, huh?
Yeah.
Let's cut it.
Then you can't put as much stuff on it, you know?
I hear you. Let's get a couple more pieces up in here.
The expertise.
I know. Get those, you gotta get those nice...
Filleting it.
You gotta get those nice open cuts so the, all the meat parts can breathe, if you know what I mean. Because it's a little bit of bologna without a couple chicken beaks in there, huh? So, dice this up. God, this smells so bad. I hate bologna with a passion. I honestly hate bologna with a passion. It's just a nasty meat substance that is not good, and we're gonna double stack. You see that? You see that technique right there? You gotta have some savory meat on this pizza. Savory, delicious, you know. Nice. I don't know how bologna is gonna be on a pizza. I think it's gonna be disgusting. I'm pretty sure Camden, aka Thoroughbred Fred, has put a lot of meat, if you know what I mean, on my pizza. Scoop a nice handful up in here. You just drizzle them on there. Oh yeah. So beforehand, we talked a little bit about foods that we hate. And Camden does not like honey or barbecue sauce or bologna. And I'm kind of in the same boat. I don't like olives. I don't like peas or pineapple. I'm okay with pineapple. Not a huge fan of it, but peas are a definite no. I'm gonna drain those a little bit. Nice little. Oh, there's sweet peas too. Bruh. This is not gonna go out well. Just dump them right on the top. Spread them. Get a nice good spread going. Not too much because you got the olives there.
Sick to my motherfucking tummy. Bitch must think I'm a motherfucking dummy. Because I just bummy, bitch think I'm broke. Bitch, I ate one roach and I made a lot of money.
The layers in which I put them, it's one in which Bobby Flay taught me. And what Bobby Flay taught me was that you can't give up. You can't give up on your dreams. You gotta build. You gotta build and build. That's what I've done here. That's exactly what I've done here. Excuse the noise, but that is exactly what I've done. I built a pizza fit for a king.
Sick to my motherfucking tummy. Bitch must think I'm a motherfucking dummy. Because I just bummy, bitch think I'm broke. Bitch, I ate one roach and I made a lot of money.
Hey guys, make sure to check us out
on Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we will be eating these pizzas. I repeat, eating these nasty pizzas. If you want to see that, make sure to check us out. We will give further information on Instagram and maybe Facebook. See you there. Love you. Peace.